Sir, does Ayurveda work in today's times? Is it effective?
Yes, why not? Ayurveda has been for more than 5,000 years. It's part of Indian history, and we have people coming from all. It has been appreciated of late because of the Western countries, and yes, we are not in competition with any other branches of medicine because we have our own tried and tested therapies which have been in existence from time immemorial.
What is Dhanvantari Kerala Ayurveda all about? And what do you do for chronic ailments?
See, Dhanvantari Kerala Ayurveda, basically Dhanvantari Kerala Ayurveda is a company where it's a company run by professionals who have a dream of not compromising on the Ayurvedic therapies that are in practice nowadays. It's an institution where we have maintained the therapies as it has been all through the thousands and thousands of years by the ancient people. So at Dhanvantari we try to maintain the tradition, the treatments, and of course, like we do have very good effective treatments for chronic ailments. In fact, Dhanvantari Kerala specializes in chronic treatments. For the treatment of chronic ailments.
What kind of treatments are there for these ailments?
See, there are treatments like you want to know the names of the various treatments, or
No, I would like to know whether there are medicines or what you have told me earlier about Panchakarma treatments. What exactly is the way of treatment?
Yeah, we have it's a combination of all those things what you have said. It's a combination of the Panchakarma treatments, and Panchakarma is a combination of the five treatments, the five karmas that we have in treatments. I don't want to go into the details of this because you know like what the main Panchakarma treatment. Nowadays everyone knows because of the internet and the books that Ayurveda it's quite popular nowadays. So, but it's a combination of the Panchakarma treatments. It's a combination of the internal herbs medicines that we have. These in the liquid form, by way of tablet form, we have all those herbal medicines, and of course, and yoga, and there's lot many things which is a combination of all those things.
But does it act fast? Because in today's time, people are going for medicines which act very fast. So, does Ayurveda work fast?
Let me put this question to you. Do you want this treatment? Do you want to, when you go for a treatment, how do you want it to be? You want the treatment to, you want to get fast relief for a temporary basis, or you would like to stay longer, take the treatment for a longer period, and get completely cured by removing it from the roots? What would you prefer?
Yes, I would like to get it cured from the roots, but at the same time I would also like to get it done fast. So I would just ask whether it is fast or because I have heard that with Panchakarma it acts really fast. Is that true?
It can be fast and it can be very effective provided you follow what our physicians tell you, how to lead your way of life. During the treatment process as well as after the treatment, there are certain restrictions, not major restrictions, but certain alterations in your daily lifestyle. If you follow this, then it's as good as any therapy or treatment.
Right. Are these treatments, Panchakarma treatments, very expensive? Are they affordable to the common man?
See, Ayurvedic treatments are not expensive, but sometimes what happens, like certain treatments, they require a longer number of days. Say like
Right.
someone coming for a weight reduction,
Okay.
or someone having a chronic ailments which they have been suffering for quite some time.
Okay.
So maybe the physician may give him or her a longer period of treatment. Maybe for 21 days or maybe much more longer.
Right.
In that case, it works out
Okay.
to be expensive, but otherwise, if you see, these Panchakarma treatments are not at all expensive. It's quite affordable to the common man, and we, as I told you, like our main, the motto, the vision is to make these treatments available to the common man and make them aware of the benefits of Ayurveda.
Okay, right. So is it better to go to Kerala for these treatments because it is said to be the origin of these Ayurvedic treatments? Is it so, or are the treatments the same anywhere you take them?
See, there are lot many people who have asked me the same question. I mean, the people from foreign countries, they come and ask me that they should go to Kerala for these therapies. And my answer to them, I put this question to them, I ask them whether the purpose of visiting India is for leisure, for vacation, or are you really suffering from any particular ailment? And that answers the question, because if you are just coming for a vacation, then please go to Kerala, because it's a very beautiful country and it's really God's own country.
Right.
But if you are coming for a treatment, then I would suggest that we have all the facilities that not Kerala but any place in the world can provide in Ayurveda. We have the best of treatments, we have the best of therapies, and you don't have to go to any other part of the world for these therapies. You can come here, Dhanvantri Kerala Ayurveda in Mumbai.
It is more convenient in Mumbai too.
Exactly,
since
and Mumbai is the hub. It is the, like, you can always, you can maybe combine business also while you are in Bombay with those therapies.
Right. Do you have staying facilities here for the foreigners who come in?
Yes, we do have, but not at our center. But we have with the tie-ups with various hotels, 3-star, 5-star, whatever hotels we can make arrangements for the bookings. It's all like since we are located in the central part of Mumbai, very close to the international airport. There are lot many hotels in and around our center, so we can make arrangements for the stay in these hotels, provided you give us sufficient notice period.
Right.